Hey guys, Noah back here with IT West End. Today we're going to take a look at the Master Lock combo 7384 works. Today just taking a look at how best to get in here. It's pretty easy and I'm sure I can do it with my eyes closed. Notes beforehand: getting around, sticking things in, and trying levering around, you're not going to be able to do it. However, being security when I was much younger and seeing these around, they're common place lock. However, I think that it's a waste of money to be getting this one particularly. However, let's take a look at how easy this is to get through. Easiest way, and I'm shocked and surprised to say it, but get a Coke can. It's the easiest way you're going to do it. Make your own tool out of it, and you'll be able to get it with your eyes closed, literally. Let's take a look. Let's reset the password just to make sure that I don't know the code. And then reset it some more. Cool. Cool. I can't get in. Let's have a go. So. There you go. Record time. Use a Coke can. Literally, all you have to do is look for a little notch in between each of these, and you'll be able to get in. Yeah, I just suggest getting a new one if you have these.